Hi students, welcome back to Evershine Coaching Center. I am Shah Faisal sir here. Dear students, today I am going to discuss the revised reduced syllabus of class 12, that is 2nd PUC Karnataka State Board model question paper of accountancy. See children, here I am going to update you two model papers as been prescribed from Department of Pre-University, I mean Karnataka State Board, okay, second year PUC 2020-21 for reduced syllabus of this Karnataka State Board. The total time will be given 3 hours 15 minutes and the maximum marks it carries 100 marks. Here I want you all have to go with these all instructions which is been given here. As you can see, some details is been updated here. You need to go with the instructions part, right? Very good. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಈ ದಿನದ ತುಂಬ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. ಈಗ ನಾವು ಅಕೌಂಟೆನ್ಸಿ ಮಾಡೆಲ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಯಾವ ಥರ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಬರಬಹುದು, ಯಾವ ಥರ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಯಾವ ಥರ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್, ಈಗ ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಯಾವ ಥರ ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳಬಹುದು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಈ पेपर्सನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ನಿಮಗೆ ತಿಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. आज इस पेपर्स के अंदर हम दो पेपर्स को हम डिस्कस कर रहे हैं, मॉडल पेपर 1 एंड मॉडल पेपर 2 ऑफ अकाउंटेंसी सेकेंड ईयर पीयूसी ऑफ कर्नाटका स्टेट बोर्ड. See children, section A is nothing but answer any 8 questions. Each question carries 1 mark. So you are supposed to answer out of these questions only 8 questions you need to answer. Total 10 questions are given, out of which you are supposed to answer any 8 questions. And next, coming back to section B, you are supposed to answer any 5 questions. Each question carries 2 marks. You can just read out these all questions children. As per this, you are supposed to answer any 5 questions out of these. Each carries 2 marks. Totally 5 into 2 is 10 marks. Right? Good. And next, coming back to section C, you need to answer any 4 questions. Each question carries 6 marks. That is 4 into 6, that is equals to 24. You need to answer any 4 questions from this. Is this clear? Good. And after this, you can just read up these questions. As you can see here, as you can see, this is problem number 22. Okay. And after that we have the next section. You can just pause it, you can stop it and you can read the questions. Okay, and you can start answering the specific question. And next, coming back to section D, that is 4 into 12, that is equals to 48 marks. Means you need to answer any 4 questions. You need to answer any 4 questions from this. Okay. And next, coming back to next section. This is problem number 30. Problem number 30, it's been given here. As you can see the table, and they are asking you to prepare the chart. Okay. And next we are going to show you. As you can see children, this is section E. In this section E, you are supposed to answer any 2 questions. Okay, each carries 5 marks. That is 2 into 5, that is equals to 10. Okay, I hope you have got the information related to model paper 1 Am right? Good. Next we are going to discuss model paper 2. As same thing as I have said you before, you can see here you have 5 sections. This is section A, 1 mark questions. Section B, your 2 mark carrying questions. And next coming back to section C, it's your 4 mark carrying questions. This is section C, and then we are going to show you, I just want you have to go with these all questions and start solving the problem. You need to start solving the problem as per these questions, and related to these chapters and the questions, some other questions also you need to practice, so that it can give you a good chance to score a very good marks. And next coming back to section D, it carries 4 into 12, that is equals to 48 marks. You need to answer any 4 questions, each carries 12 marks. 48, done. As you can see here, the problems is been given here. I just want you have to read all those questions as how I have stated here. You all can see these questions. I am right? I hope you all can see. I want you need to solve still more number of problems related to the same chapters as prescribed here in model paper 1 and 2, and you can solve some related questions also by specifying different values while you are practicing for your upcoming board exam. And next, this is section E. Children, still if you have not subscribed our YouTube channel, do subscribe it, and if you have liked this class and session, do not forget to click the like button and share this video as much as possible for your all friends, and comment below how was this class. Still we are going to come back with still more important updates related to your board exam. Okay, wish you all the best of luck. Subscribe the channel and click the bell icon, and ask your all friends to subscribe and follow us, so definitely we are there for you. Right, good children. Thank you. Keep watching. Bye bye.